Apparently, ringtones can be distracting and also frightening to some people. I've had complaints from friends and people like at the grocery store. I'm standing in line trying to check something out, and my ringtone goes off, and well, it startles them. And so this is the one that startles people. And that's the one that scares people. I've had people just about jump out of their skin and say it triggers them. It brings back bad memories. So I made something custom made. It's a little bit more seasonally correct and not as threatening. So this is the new seasonal non-threatening ringtone.
Ho, ho, ho! Rudolph and the rest of you scruffy mules, up and away!
I hope they like it.